So in this video, I will show you how you can update or translate the text of an image with Canva. You will see that it's very, very easy because we have an integration on dropmagic with Canva. So if you want to translate, for example, I will translate this image in French, but you can just update the text if you want to add something, or if you want to translate it in Italian, in Spanish, or use a French image and translate it in English. So it can work for every type of translation or every type of update. So you just have to click on the image, then click on edit on Canva. So it will upload the image on Canva and create a new Canva. So as you can see, we have the image here. I didn't touch anything. Now I will start by removing the logo because of course that I don't want to keep the logo of my competitor. So I will click on the image, then click on modification, select the eraser just here. I will then select the logo I want to remove. So let's select it. Then I click on erase. So we just have to wait for a few seconds. Perfect. I will do the same with this logo also. Perfect. So now I can close that. So it will have been possible also to use this app to remove the text, but because this feature is only included on the pay plan of Canva, I want to use another way to translate the text. Otherwise, everyone will have to pay. But if you don't have a lot of money, of course, that you will be happy to have a solution to translate the text, even if you don't have the paid feature of Canva. So I will just go on element just here, select any square, and I will put it just here, okay? So now what you can do is cover the text, then click on the color, click on plus, select this, and select the color just around the place you want to cover, you know? So in that case, we can't see that there is something here. Then I will click here on the locker, so it will be easier than if I want to change something. I will do the same with this image, and now I can't move it anymore, okay? So I will go on the text, and what is also very interesting, and in that case, maybe if I wanted to use this image on my English store, but I just wanted to update the text to have the same fonts that I'm using on my store, I can do it with Canva, because here I can have all the font that I want. So for example, if my website use the font Roboto, I can use Roboto, okay? And I will say, so in French, it means, what was the purpose? Okay, yeah. So, chargeable en USB. So I will remove the bold aspects. Then I will put the text just here, okay? I will change the color to have maybe something blue. Yeah, like that, perfect. I will do the same with this, okay? So it's okay, perfect. Put it here. Okay, perfect. And now I will do the same with this text. So go back on elements, take a square, okay, put it on the text, choose the right color. So you can also use the color here, but sometimes we think that this is white, but this is not exactly white. So this is why I prefer to use the exact color. Then I will copy it again, paste it, and I will use, I will add a new text, put the same fonts. Okay, perfect. I will put it on the left, then I will decrease the size. I can also check the space, perfect. So like that, I think it's better. And I will put it in big letter, okay? So like that, yeah, perfect. Okay, and then the last thing I will do is change the color to have the exactly same color. Perfect, select the right one. Okay, so like that is better. And now I can just download the image, download, then go back to my store. I will click on the image again, click on choose media, and I will upload the image I have just created on Canva. And then if I click, you can see that everything has been translated, the logo has been removed, and the fonts is the same that I can choose here, for example, Roboto. So now everything is the same. So it's much better.